Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, what is the value of 5.67834 rounded off to second decimal place? Okay. Now, here we have given number 5.67834 and we have to round it off to the second decimal place. Now to round it off the second decimal place, here we can see that the second decimal place is 7. If that number is greater than 5, here we can observe that 7 is greater than 5. If that number is greater than 5, then that number will convert it to the next digit and the remaining digit will goes to 0. So, the number will converted like 5.6. 7 will convert it to next digit means 7 will convert it to 8 and the remaining digits will be 0. Hence it is 5.68000. So our correct option is option D.